Let me pull up the motherfucking. Put up the chat. Show the Discord farm. That's a little countdown. Let's say welcome back, everyone, to another little stream. I'm joined by Mr. Hayes today.
Yo.
And today, we're going to do our regular schedule program, right? We'll go over some things that we see on the charts, see what we got in terms of liquidities up top, liquidities down below, see how the week might play out, and then we'll also take a gander at some cryptos. We will also take a gander at some cryptos. The usual, right? So without further ado, let's dive right into this bitch. Gonna have a. I'd love to see a retrace on Qs. I hate these straight fucking pumps. Shit's so. H-O.
Must have just pumping straight into that buy side.
H-O-M-O. Yeah, we have a few buy sides, right? So the next one up realistically is 2536.75. That was something that we were looking at on the weekly. We were kind of talking about how they can sweep this weekly, maybe close this monthly fair value gap and sweep this liquidity right there, and then recheck back down. Would be nice to see. But also, the way she's fucking ripping is kind of is just straight fucking stupid. That's the one thing I'm not a huge fan of during the market is when we were just like ripping with no fucking retracements. I'm cool with it on crypto, but on like futures or anything else, I'm kind of a little bit iffy about that. What up, Maxo? Thank you for tuning in, brother. Yeah, right now, we're kind of working to reach the -4236 right there off this range. What the fuck? I hate when it does it. Like, what the fuck? Why does it do that?
Oh, also by Saturday night, he meant Sunday night stream.
Oh my, that I knew I was fucking always fucking forgetting some fucking shit. Good fucking God. I was like, all right, we're all set. We got this in check, this right there, this fucking right there. My fucking God. Of course. Of course. Of course.
Everybody gets one.
Motherfucker. Let's see if I change it right now. Will it change?
Nope.
Sunday night update.
It's all good, dude.
Let's see if it updates.
It's all good.
Son of a fucking bitch. God. Like a fucking retard, dude.
Always rewatching on YouTube and they're like, there's 2 Saturdays. I don't get it.
Oh, they did a double stream on Saturday. That's crazy. What? How are they trading Sunday price action? What? Fucking A, dude. I'm streaming. I got your voice going. You know, the camera's fucking going. Everything. I'm like, yeah, hell yeah. I got it right for the first time on everything. Nope. Get fucked. Thanks, Shade.
Oh, it's okay.
Ruining my fucking day. Oh my God. Max, we'll cover those stocks you mentioned in a second. Yeah, I mean 2536.75 looks very likely. If we sweep this and can't displace above it, probably gonna look for a downside if we pump through it and get displacement above it. 2730 is the next. We have some equal highs right there. As Sleeker likes to call them, we have smooth brains right there. Right, 2954.75. Well, looks decent for upside as well. We have quite a few bitches up to the top. Quite a bit of liquidities up to the top. A few over here. I guess, I mean, I don't know if this is a buy the dip environment or what the fuck we're doing right now, but Trump is coming out tomorrow as well. He's going to speak on some shit. We already outlined our previous week high, previous week low. As you can see, we have quite a gnarly gap. 1,000 points, I think, is what we gapped out. It was like about, not points, but ticks. It's like 200 points or something. Well, fucking wild, this shit. Like the wild fucking West. Not the biggest fan of this price action. So I'm kind of
Crazy.
gonna take my anger out on crypto. Okay. In terms of yeah, I mean there's like not much for me to outline honestly. Like
Nah, not yet.
these gap ups are just so fucking off-putting
Other than
sometimes.
the
I'm
fact
just
that
like,
it's gapped up 1,000 points, and that's about it.
yeah. And it's like, well, I guess is going right here. I like 29, like, because I take this liquidity, maybe come into this. That is the OTE of this whole sell range, right? 705, maybe. I mean, we kind of had a solid rejection, but you can see, like, we rejected this daily fair value gap initially. And then we gap right above it. So it's like, I don't fucking know. I'm not gonna touch the shit right now, at least. Weekly, yeah, she's cooking slowly but surely cooking. Let's see what is US 1 honey. Is 100 pretty similar? Yeah, we kind of had it going up right into this liquidity. So from that over there. So we'll see what she wants to do if she comes back into this 7 to 5 and then rejects back down from there, or if they want to keep it fucking pumping, because monthly candle obviously looks ridiculous already. If they leave this wick right there, so we did technically retrace into 705 of this range, right? And it came up from there, but that's what they choose to do. That's what they choose to do. They love pumping it. Now it's Trump market, guys. Remember, this is not a Biden market.
Not a sleeping boy market.
Nope. This is Sleepy Joe is out of the office. The market does not sleep. The market moves nice and fast. Like a healthy president, like me. I'm a healthy president.
Oh my god.
I did my cognitive tests. They all came back positive. I don't take Adderall.
Well, that voice smacks Orange Boys.
100%.
Why he's so orange?
He probably got some stronger shit than the Orange Boys, dude. Bet you.
Fucking 90 milligram bangers.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I would if I was the president. If I give you that shit at the door when you walk in.
They're like, hey, this is actually a requirement.
Yeah, here's your glass of water and your fucking Adderall every morning.
He has an Adderall button in his office. Boop.
Yep.
Like
drops out of
everybody
desk.
thought it was a fucking Coke button.
Panic button.
Yeah, nope. It's the Adderall button.
Oh, it is. Apparently, it is for all the other countries. The fucking Coke button.
Yeah, yeah, fucking muckroon.
Dude,
Shit's ridiculous.
crazy.
I mean, also it's like I'm fucking surprised. Those
I'm not
motherfuckers
judging.
out there. Francois, Mozegua
I'm not
oui.
judging.
It's like, what's that? Oh no, that's just what is that fucking fine ground sugar? Just baking sugar,
Yeah.
whatever. Powdered sugar.
Everyone wants to point fingers, but no one's been in the seat. No
Yeah.
one knows what they would do.
Yeah, exactly. Everybody wants to say, "Oh, it's so easy," but you know what? Maybe you fucking need a little bump sometimes. Just a little boost of fucking energy, a boost of confidence talking to fucking Zelensky. Fuck. Oh, I don't know if you watched it, but a lot of the shit that we outlined on the stream, it kind of like took those daily or weekly manipulations right, and projected them.
Yep.
So these are lined up pretty nice, like negative threes. So if we keep on pumping, that's cool with me on crypto.
Yeah,
On
that
indices,
Bitcoin hourly is,
not so
it
much.
kind of looks like that vertical accumulation
Bitcoin,
on that hourly.
Bitcoin, hourly. Oh yeah, I'm just not liking. I'm I'm not a huge fan of this right here. That because they can just and then boom. Come back, retest this shit like yeah, 102. You have anything decent at 102? I'd be like top of this level, actually. Yeah. If they come back, maybe retest this 101. Seems like that's been a decent level. Yeah, look at the way that was rejecting. Let me see. Like that. You know? Came back into that, cleared these wicks up afterwards. Wouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Just think about this
No,
level.
not at all.
Look at the bodies, the way they're expecting that liking it. Just give us something, you know. Just a little bit of a oh yeah, we told you this was just a bear market run on this retrace. We told you it was gonna reverse right there, and then just fucking mega boner. Send that shit out.
Or they'd leave this bottom of the weekly blunt, push through the all-time high, get everyone long, and then like retrace down midweek, close like inside week, and then pop it next week again.
Yeah, I mean we've done this shit before, right here.
Yep.
So it wouldn't be right as long as prices hold in the top of this open right there, as long as prices holding this like 104, we can easily, I think, I would not be mad if they put another one of these bad boys into there.
Yep.
Spoink.
I have this higher time frame fib extension 104.5 that we're at again right now. If we last through this, I think we go 111,000, probably like overnight.
Oh yeah, 1618 lines up with the 112 of this manipulation leg, if you want to call it that.
Yep. Again, like I do want a pullback so I can long, but every time I go on any sort of social media, everyone's still trying to short, and I just don't know if they're going to give it to them.
Mm-hmm. Or
it's because it's like Raven always says, whoever gets fucked more. And if they're going to keep shorting it, like, we'll see. We will see.
nah. They could.
A lot of these alts definitely look like they want to chill a little bit. So you had like this daily candle that just closed. I mean, that could have been the pullback already.
Yeah, and that's what I was saying. Like on these dailies, right? They can make this. Let me find an example. Like where they don't necessarily sweep the bottom or anything, and they just pump it and like turn it into an order block, like this one right there.
Yep.
Right, like so similar shit where they just like pump through it. Like you typically see it on the 5-minute chart. That one's pretty clear when they do that. So if they do that similar thing right there, and just kind of pump through these highs and clear these highs, that's what we would want to see. If they can come back and clear 104.817, that will be probably the most cleanest.
Keep the party going.
Yeah, exactly. Keep fucking rallying. Doji.
But I do get what you like mean on the 4 hour. A lot of it does look like LRLR with like a little head and shoulders type thing across a lot of these alts. It needs to pump through that shit.
New all-time high 125, 130 is Max's prediction. See, like, I had this outlined right there. Had a limit order right here on that 22320. So this is decent. 6.35%. Just like on the 4-hour range. So
Yeah,
we'll see.
still
So
that long I took earlier.
hell yeah, yeah, because it's not respected. Because we don't necessarily have any rejection to the downside or any displacement to the downside yet. So she can.
Yep.
The wheel in the sky keeps on turning.
Yep.
And the
like we
way,
said before, no reason to just blast longs up here. Like, not at all. We just wait if you're not in anything.
yeah, exactly. There's no reason to
We
just
will
kind of
get
like.
a pullback. Just don't know when.
Yeah. Right, and it doesn't have to like market doesn't just go straight up unless it's a fucking, Uden stock. But if it's not that, then obviously it can kind of come down a little bit. Like even on this hour, like I'm fully expecting a fucking retrace overnight. I don't know why, but maybe it's just me being the old bearish. But I would not mind seeing
Like
it
a
retrace
3-5.
overnight. Yeah. These hourlies. This 4 hours looking strong, right? But that big old gap that we have.
Ooh, I like on the 5 right now. It looks like a 3 driver. If that 5 closes back in that range, I kind of like shorts.
Yep. Yep.
Actually.
Yep. See -4s. Like we swept all of these liquidities to the upside. Yeah, we still have one more maybe to reach that 536 20. Oh, I have it on this chart. Okay, cool. It's just wait. Oh yeah, no, it's right here. But yeah, other than that, let's see. Yeah, FET is good. A lot of these are pretty decent still, I think, for continuation. Wouldn't be bad. Like 1618s, 2125, -3.5s, -4, -5. So I end up like pretty decent off of that manipulation on the daily.
Love XLM still too.
MKR. I think Doug had something on MKR. I don't know if it was crypto.
I saw we got a copyright strike on YouTube. You know what I say to that?
We did?
More sick beats. More sick beats.
Did we actually?
Yeah, it was in like Africa or some shit. It's all good.
Oh my god, get the fuck out of here. Gonna take the time, take me away from you. Let me see, hyper Bitcoin. I think he had an animal in MK. Oh yeah, he did. He had an Oh yeah, pretty similar. The downside, a little different. But yeah, he's got a good animal too, projecting to the upside. Nice. I like that confirmation.
Lucky.
Yeah, MKR. That looks like a
Nature,
decent
yeah.
one. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, the weekly can see a continuation. I would not mind it at all. Send it.
If everyone was long the other day, like boat loaded, like I don't see anyone posting TNLs on Twitter. If everyone was long in that initial pump, I could totally see a fast retracement. Like, but I don't know, dude. All I see is salty people and cope.
Yep. So that means they're just gonna keep on fucking pumping it until we see some PNLs, and then
Everyone
they're gonna.
posting oh, this is what we should see on Bitcoin. Like posting the same pullback that I want the same thing, but
Yeah.
if everyone's posting the same chart, you're not getting it. It's just how it goes.
Boom, HNT. Yeah, the way that Ren.
Even Magic USD daily. This one really hasn't gone yet.
Check it out. Scroll through these. Rune. Whiff. Come on, Whiffy. Get back up there above that yearly. Come on, Whiffy. Give us.
Yeah, I think this one could
Actually,
be long.
everything on these, look at this. This looks like a fucking, almost like a cup and handle, right? So like continuation up in here, retrace, and then continue up. Almost what that shit looks like.
Yep. I see it.
There we go. There's fucking futures ripping. Let's see magic.
Yeah, Magic USD. Go on the daily.
Mhm.
You draw that OTE out, and we kind of had like that failed triangle breakout, like breakdown, which can be like the manipulation.
Oh, that was perfect fucking OTE.
Yep. And then yeah, like false triangle breakout to the downside, and we're like in the progress of reclaiming it.
Mm-hmm.
Could be nice back up to that liquidity monthly high.
Yeah, and these triple tops.
I'd like manipulation out of this little accumulation we have right here, though. That'd be cool. Like down and then out.
Yeah,
But I don't know if we get it.
that does look good. Let's see what Orca's at. Horka.
That was kind of the same on Orca. Same look.
Yeah. Yep.
I like how it's holding that after sweeping that high, too. Like no displacement back down.
Mm-hmm. Orca weekly. Oh, that
Like
weekly.
I don't love these open. Oh, some of these opens are sus.
Yeah. Like this one
most of
could
them.
get a retrace into here, into this little guy right there, and then go.
You know what? And if they go without me, I'm totally cool. I don't really want a long, blunt fucking daily open on a Sunday.
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I'm
Totally
fucking
cool
saying.
with it just ripping.
Yep.
I'll be happy for anyone who's in it.
Prom.
That's just it. Like learning the patience to just not fucking feel like you need to be in something because you know
Yeah.
the market will give you another opportunity.
Yeah, that's one thing I'm still battling a little bit. But I feel like getting a little better. Just need to fucking trust that shit.
Yeah. I mean, are you gonna regret like missing out on one pump like one time, or regret longing a blunt fucking daily and getting your shit blown out?
Getting cucked.
Yep.
That's
'Cause
fucking.
we've been there.
Yeah. Oh, don't remind me. Yeah, everything looks decent. I would just
Especially when this pump is on over the weekend news trade deal shit that can be undone tomorrow. I just
and like everything on just overnight price action.
I was gonna say too, like a lot of these on the 4-hour, they look like they just want to sweep the high that it put in like yesterday and maybe start coming down again.
Mm-hmm.
So it wouldn't even be worth that. Yeah, I'm just cool with not getting a piece of the pie on this one. And
Yeah.
again, that's why I like holding spot as well as leveraging, because like, yeah, I'm not in really, I'm in 3 small leverage still, but like I have my spot working in the background.
Yeah, Anchor also
need
looks
to
got
tip.
like Anchor.
What's the ticker on that?
ANKR. See, Anchor actually did the little dip below that weekly open.
Yep.
Like I said, everything looks
Yeah, Ave too.
a little, yeah.
AAVE looks, it did the same thing, and it
Yeah.
held a 4-hour FVG.
Where's my
Looked pretty good.
Yeah.
It's
So
on
I'm
a
like,
4.
mhm.
That little FVG it held.
Oh, yep, and swept this blunt bottom.
But like this, I was thinking like this could just take that weekly high and then fall again.
Mm-hmm.
Not like a huge RR play.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm chamber loaded. Don't got anything. I'm out of everything crypto wise, just waiting. If it pumps without me, then I might cry for a second, but you know.
Okay. Ooh, and we took buy side on NQ.
Yep. If we're not, You're making money by sitting out. That's the
Yep.
basic
If you're
shit.
not losing money,
Mm-hmm.
it's still the same as making money, in my opinion.
Yeah, exactly.
As long as you're not losing money, that's all that matters.
Rather wake up knowing that I didn't fucking buy the top than
Get blown up by China.
yeah, exactly. China loves to fuck us. Oh, fuck
They do.
you. ARPA. See, ARPA's retesting. See, this is what I almost would want to see on those
Yep.
names. Like some shit like that. Kind of like that.
This is where it starts getting interesting on NQ too, because if we get a daily close above here, it is a change of character.
Yep. So yeah, from there, like in Q.
Then we can get a rip, get a pullback, still be bullish. Which again, looking at that fucking fractal of mine,
Mm-hmm.
we got discount of that
Yeah.
higher range. So I don't know. I don't know if it needs any more than that. It was like you
retrace.
said, it was like gift from the gods.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean like it was a clean ass fucking 705 tap and fucking ripper from there. But I'll stay put. Oh wait. Oh shit. Above the 200. To me also mentioned the 30 SMA. You said that it on the 4 hour.
50 SMA.
Mm-hmm. I said it almost works like like an OTE. Like look how well it follows. It should actually. And this is on the daily chart, right? Like if we drop down on the 4 hour, it's even better the way it's holding. So
Yeah,
almost
almost
like a little
SMA is
almost like
favorite
a
indicator.
little retrace down to this 30. I wouldn't hate. Just a retest. Mm-hmm.
Trying to find where I posted this the other day. Is that Trade Friday?
You don't
No.
trade Fridays.
No, I don't. It had to be Thursday. There it is.
What
Yeah,
the
on NQ I posted I'd only short if we closed a 4 hour under 20, or that key level. What was it? 20,090, and we held that shit. So good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it almost. If we are looking for a reversal, then I'm looking for a sweep, fair value gap, displacement, right, and then go from there. Not taking anything else.
Nope. As far as stocks, other than like ones people want looked at, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
I like waiting till Monday opens. There's no
Mhm.
point in
Yeah, just kind of predicting or seeing what the fuck it wants to do.
no. Because I mean, half of the time you chart shit and it looks great, and then it's gapped up $10.
Yeah, literally, it fucking opens up and then just a fucking ripper. And it's like, oh, awesome.
Yeah, so in reality, I really don't trade Mondays or Fridays. So I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and if nothing happens in those days, I kind of just wait till next week.
Yep.
That's just my system from back testing, from noticing how I do. Like, that's the best thing that works for me.
Yeah, let me take a look at these. Dude, my skin feels so fucking good. Putting tallow on that.
Like a fucking god, not god.
Yo. Go to the July parade.
Yeah. Oops.
Okay, MVIS. Take a look. All right, Max will say he's
Golden
driver. Golden Goddess.
Yeah, Max, I have to reply to your DM still. I will, as when we're done with this stream.
Yeah, he said he was driving right now, driving home from work. I'll tune in as soon as I get home. I might wait for him to get home and show him these charts. If you guys have any questions, any comments, concerns, any stocks you wanna us to look at, make sure to type them out over in the chat. We'll answer those. We'll take a look at those or cryptos, whatever you want to see. We got y'all. And as always, make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. That's our little website. You'll see a lot of great things on there. We have a weekly subscription for everybody. If you don't want to subscribe for a whole month, just check us out for a week, right? See how you like it in there. Stay for the community, pick up any golden nuggets that you want, and then leave on your own accord, right? We're not there to hold you back. We're not there to hold your hand. Just want to show you how we do it in the Paper Traders.
And we don't want you to stay forever if you don't want to either. I said that the other day. Like, come,
Yep.
learn, build your system. If you don't know how, we can help you. And after that, if you want to dip the fuck out and you want to trade by yourself, like, more power to you.
Exactly. We don't do alerts. It's the biggest thing. We don't do alerts. We believe in taking your own trades and taking your own risk, right? We're not going to sit there and tell you SPY contract at 3.5. I'm buying 10 here. And then yelling at you for not selling when manage your own risk. Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of we just give you the setup and show you, hey, this is what we're seeing on these charts. This is what we can possibly see. This is the whole outline. Shane is phenomenal at it, by the way, guys.
Yeah, I'm trying to use the long and short like position tool to show like where my entry and where my stop is.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's as close to an alert as you need.
Yeah.
Because you can still enter, put the same stop as me if you want. But like I've been trying to use that tool a lot more.
But it's kind of like a trade at your own accord, look at the charts yourself kind of thing. You know, we're constantly
risk is different.
Mm-hmm. We like to constantly monitor shit, but whatever everybody else does, that's up to them.
Yep.
I'll say the way these things are, like we haven't had a displacement to the downside, honestly, so it's not bad. It could go from these daily opens blunt, but what can you do?
Wait. Sit on hand.
Yeah.
Put thumb up.
SOH. Yeah, I see like right now, Qs getting a nice dipper, but I want to see a 5-minute retrace. Or like a 5-minute fair value gap. Like this 15 is still looking a little bull. It's hourly.
5 minute. Or get a 5-minute CISD here. Like close under. For me to short this, I'd want to close under 24.92. And then I would take
20. Oh, 24.
This does look like a 3 drives.
Yeah.
Into the buy side. I mean, if you want to take a micro short off top above that high, it's only 70 points.
Yeah.
Not the worst.
Mm-hmm. Just the way this
daily open 617. But yeah, you could definitely wait for like a 5-minute inversion. At least.
Yeah, new 4 hours gonna open up in 40 minutes too, so that's gonna tell us the story.
Short. SMT2, right? ES did not take. Nope.
That I don't know. ES didn't take?
Nope.
Okay, then yeah, maybe we do wait for something over here to happen. 501. Yeah. Yeah, MVIS. Let me take a look, draw some shit out on here. What do we got? It's holding that nicely. Weekly consolidation. Honestly, never heard of this stuff. I don't know what the fuck they do. TOTE. Let's see, what are they? Microvision, electron technology, semiconductors. Huh.
Yeah, Mavis.
Yeah.
Maybe some my coffee.
Microvision, yeah, you're good.
Coffee.
I mean, everybody's saying strong buy or like whatever, right? So it could be pretty decent in terms of that, this accumulation. All of this like accumulation, but the fact that it's not, I don't think, volume is not that high on this accumulation, That's the only thing that's probably telling me this likely might go down a little bit lower into some nulls. What the way the daily looks on this OTE is decent, right? 706. We just want to see something above the 50% if you're looking to long that. What else? Q and TM. Quantum biopharma. Pharma plays are always usually pretty nice. I don't know with the whole news of them that Trump just announced in terms of pharmaceuticals being at like a good price, right? That's the only thing I'd be concerned with. So that's why it's like probably wait till tomorrow open, right, and see how these names are actually doing, what they actually want to do. Not the best animal. Yeah, this one I would probably wait as well. Monthly, weekly. Nice accumulation, right down here at these lows, but once again, nothing's really screaming upside for me on this. You are kind of getting a little bit more volume on these bumps. Wouldn't be terrible. I don't think it would be the worst. And GME. GME said buy GME on 421. Where's 421? Right there. GME, just how manipulated this stock is, or just how community driven this stock is. You could, in terms of this just like being a huge accumulation rate, especially on the weekly. You could try to get some longs on it, but once again, just wait for everything to open up on those new weeklies and see how we are actually doing and see what we actually want to do on these. On that is pretty much it on those. Yeah, Qs. Everything, yeah. Yep. Nice retraces. Maybe get those retraces. We'll keep on monitoring crypto. Keep on looking at it, watching for those retracements to happen and see where they actually want to go with them. Right? I mean, you can take whatever range you desire to take. You can take this range, right? 618 lines up with this nice little fair value gap right here. At least on Shiba does. So it's like right here, right? If we come into here, probably be decent longs right there. Shiba, actually, what the fuck was it? Crypto. There we go. That's what I want to see. Okay. Right here. This right there. If we're taking this 4-hour range, right? Taking that 4-hour range, possibly retest of shit right here, right? And this is the area I'd be looking for possible long opportunities on SHIB, on like Doge. Let's take out Whiff or dog coins. Oh, Whiffy's going. She's running. She's a runner. But once again, also would love to see a small retrace on these. Nice head and shoulder patterns, right, onto everything. But kind of just waiting, just staying patient with a lot of these names. Kind of want to, like Shane was saying, just waiting for those weekly opens to play out and see how China does, and then we go from there. Because there's no need to rush into something, right? If you don't see something, there's no need to FOMO into like a long or FOMO into a short, right? Just because we see a small little reversal candle, right? We want to see our setup form. We want to see it play out. We want to see how it does. Like right now on this 1 minute, right? This is decent because this fair value gap is holding. But if we're looking at a higher time frame, we want to see we still have 30 minutes left. New 15 minutes opening up. 15 minute below. this is an inside candle, so next 15-minute can come in and sweep this high again, right? That's why I would just want to stay patient with this shit. I keep telling myself that shit of like, just stay fucking patient on this shit. There's no need to rush into anything. Like Shane was saying, there's always an opportunity in the market. Just have to wait. And it's similar to the thing that I shared this morning from Andy Frisella. Same thing before the GME chart. No, we went over the MVIS, that micro one. The way they're looking like, right, it's kind of that accumulation on those lower time frames, Maxo. But honestly, just waiting to see maybe how that week opens, right? The projection on it in terms of the analysis is looking good. Like everybody wants buys on it, but you just have to see. It's nice, right? The accumulation, the way it's forming out, and it's holding that 786. It's decent. The second one you mentioned, the Q and TM. I've haven't heard that one, but that one's a pharma play. Pharma is usually nice, but whatever Trump said, the big news announcement, you guys are gonna be enjoying it. The fact that they're dropping prices, or he's trying to make drugs more affordable. It's kind of and GME, we said that just because it's very community driven, the way they manipulate it, it's kind of a interesting stock. Could buy longs on it, honestly. Nothing's stopping you. I said long on it on 421. Just for funsies. I forgot I was holding FWOG. What? Trump coin and fart coin. The two most traded coins, y'all. Dude, if FWOG can come back, that'd be fucking awesome. Like if FWOG can displace that monthly, this shit right here, that'd be sick. No, yeah, this monthly high right there. Dude, they murdered this. Look on the monthly fucking FWOG chart, dude. It's insane. Since the opening of it was just fucking not even that is ridiculous. Not even a fucking not even a run above this high. Just fucking opened up at, what is this, 80 cents, and just fucking rocket ship down. Who knows? Maybe they'll reverse it. Who the fuck knows? If they do, that'd be cool. But until that happens, just kind of down in the dumps. Doge. Just keep on looking at these. You see, these dailies opening up, a little wick to the top, maybe a little retrace into here, continuation up from there. But obviously, right, day's not over. This is just the opening of it. We're still staying patient, waiting for our setup. Not doing nothing. Other than that, I think that might be it for today's stream, for tonight's stream, for our Sunday stream. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys like it, or if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, give it a like, give it a share. Make sure to comment down below. If you guys do want us to go over any stocks, always, we'll probably cover more names tomorrow in terms of stocks, just because, like Shane was saying, we want to wait for those Sunday open or those Monday opens and see what price actually wants to do and see how that weekly wants to act. What we fucking do on Trump News as he's speaking tomorrow. No idea what time, but he's making some big announcements tomorrow. So we want to stay tuned for that. Let's see what he...
Big announcement. The biggest.
On nighttime meeting by United States, I'm pleased to announce that India and Pakistan have agreed to a full and immediate ceasefire. Nice. Beautiful. That. The man and the people negotiating deals.
Shut the whole war down.
He's literally... He said, you guys cannot fight.
It was a good attempt. Respectable.
Respectable attempt.
Bitcoin, that daily rejection, kind of nice. Swept the highs. Ethereum didn't. Back under that 104.5 that I was talking about.
On which one?
The Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
It swept previous day high. Ethereum didn't. So there's minor SMT and rejected that. The fib extension I have is 104.574.
Oh, fucking like
104.5.
kissed above that high.
Yep. So if we get an hour CISD here, because we've tapped the 50 SMA 3 times, this could definitely get a decent little pullback.
Yeah. Oh my God, BTC.
I still wouldn't short it though, because I'm not a bitch. But
we only long. Yeah, once it comes back down, once it comes back down into these, that'd be nice. Like, sweep the shit and then pump back up. I think that would be most ideal.
That was a nice reaction off that previous day high. Nice 30-minute close too. Look a little spilly.
Yep. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
On that. Yeah, just stay patient. Stay put.
Let Monday open up.
Yep. Let it do its thing. Let Asian session play out the way it wants to play out. On that, we appreciate you guys. Oh, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say, just enjoy the rest of your night. No reason to.
Yeah, exactly.
Do dumb shit.
Back to us, do the whole fucking thing, do the whole 9 yards, review the shit that you did last week that made you fucking stop out, made you fucking lose or whatever, right? Review those trades. We did that yesterday on stream. As always, check us out. Same thing, no.
Yeah, we appreciate the support.
Yeah, always. Everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, give it a share. That's how we grow. That's how we spread the word. You know, it's not like we're telling you, well, you have to go subscribe. The only thing we're asking for just a simple retweet, repost, whatever, if you enjoyed these. And it's completely your choice if you want to join the community or not, right? We're still providing the same analysis, or not the same analysis. We're providing some analysis over here on inside our Discord. We're doing a much more in-depth analysis, and we're actually, showing you the trades that we're taking. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you follow at HazeBeats on Twitter. Phenomenal guy. Absolute fucking legend. Make sure you guys check out www.paperchairs.io. You don't have to do anything. Just check out the website, right? Shane built it from the ground up. Check it out. See what you like. If you scroll down to the bottom of that website, you will see a nice little link to all the previous live streams that we have done. Check that out. You'll see 2 Saturday live streams. One of them, the most recent one, is going to be a Sunday night live stream. Check that out. See how you like it. See how our track record is going. On that, we will see you guys tomorrow. Yep. Peace out.
Much love. Peace.